facing challenges in court, and I say this is one of the most free and fair elections in the history of Nigeria. To us, congratulations. And as a Democrat, those who cannot accept the result of a free and fair election they do not deserve the joy of victory. The party is better and must be nurtured from the world level upwards. It is our responsibility to promote unity, stability, and love among ourselves. And we must deliver on our promises. I brought before you the renewed hope to fulfill your dreams and the dreams of our founding fathers. To be sure that Nigeria remains the focal point of our foreign and domestic policy.
I call on all members of the All Progressives Congress to remain steadfast as we strive to uphold the principles of democracy, inclusivity, and good governance. Let us foster an environment that encourages healthy debates, respect for the rule of law, and protects the rights and freedom of all Nigerians. We must be the standard bearers of integrity and accountability, demonstrating to our citizens that we are here to serve their best interest.